Hey Jeff, Jamie, it's Stephanie with Comfort Eagle Roofing. We are here doing a rooftop inspection on a Builder's Grade 3 tub. So just wanted to bring you up so I could show you what you got going on. So the first thing that I noticed as I came up up the ladder was that you have impacts to the gutters. You can see where it's knocked the color off. Those impacts are indicative of hail. And then you've also got some wind-blown shingles where the wind has come through and like just ripped this shingle off. But primarily what you have are a lot of impacts. So between the branches coming down and popping holes in the shingles, you've also got impacts which are indicative of hail. So, all right, to give you an idea. So there's a difference between blistering and hail. So blistering looks like this, where the shingle itself has just started to heat up and then it kicks the granules off, and so they just end up in the gutters. And you've got a lot of that going on, especially on the front side of the home. Now, with hail damage, what happens is that as the impact hits, it pushes those granules down into the asphalt, and then it leaves like this ring where you can see like where the bruising has happened around the exterior of where it impacted. So even though this looks like a small problem, all of the granules that are surrounding that area throughout this little circle thing have been loosened up. So as the wind continues to come through and the rain, it's just going to wash those granules away. So on the front, I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impacts, 6. That's damaged the shingles. And then you've got the same thing going on across all of the slopes. This one, I counted 13. You've got another impact here where it's like ripped the shingle off. Also, you've got what they call splatter. Usually whenever there's a lot of tree coverage, you get moss and algae growth, which is like the darker stuff. The moss growth is more like this, right? So moss is not good, algae is. Moss just leaves these, it'll start to eat into the shingles. You can see where it's taken the granules off, but you also have some impacts here as well. But splatter happens whenever it knocks that algae, which is the dark staining, off of the shingles. So the algae actually protects the shingles against that. But yeah, doesn't do a lot of protection if it's really heavy. We got more impacts here. Where something came and hit down, and I just wanted to make you aware. It looks like you've got a lot. This is just a dumb way to build this. You have a really big hole here with the pipe boot, and then you've got siding missing on the chimney because what happens is all the water comes down this way, and it's just going to beat on that siding. There's just really not much you can do about that. So yeah, we don't do siding work, but we will get that secured up, and then you may want to have somebody come out and take care of the siding itself. But the side that got the beat down, this is so pretty, is over on the left side of the roof. And you can see basically this whole side just got peppered. Bloop. So I counted 20 plus on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 are just the ones that I circled in this like 10 by 10 square area, which is industry standard. They just need a sampling, right? So, yeah. So listen, I'll be down in just a minute so I can help you avoid the nightmares and the headaches associated with expensive interior damage.